Hey guys, Woods Farm here, just back out on the Rideau River for some ice fishing, going after some walleye today. It's about 2:30, just gonna head out and try to get set up and be fishing by about 3, which I find is a good time. It's pretty windy out here today, but it's not that cold. It's only -1. I think it's probably around -6 or 7 with the wind chill. It's not too bad. This is the setup. It's what I've been using for the last couple years. Just a minnow head. I seen that seems to work best on one of these little jigs. I do occasionally try tip ups and kind of a dead stick setup with a live minnow, but I have more success jigging with a minnow head. Okay, there's the first one. He bit onto that lure when I wasn't holding the rod, and then I came over, tried to set the hook, he was off, and then I jigged it a couple times and he came right back. I think I'm going to throw this guy back, just chance that I might get a bigger one. It's not a bad size though. So the wind's making it difficult to film. My other camera blew over, got wet. And it's pretty cold now that the wind's picked up, so I don't know if the batteries are going to keep going, but I should be able to get a couple more fish with a little bit of luck here. Just spotted this little guy coming across the ice. I don't know what he's doing out here. I don't know if that's a giant muskrat or a really small beaver. Going back now. Crazy. I better get back to fishing. Well, not much action today. Just that one fish. So I just moved out a little bit. It's a little deeper here. And I changed lures. Hopefully that'll make a bit of a difference. It's a small one. Good sign they're starting to bite right on time. Just a little guy. Another small little guy. Those two small ones were right back to back, just a couple minutes apart. I almost feel like it was the same fish. Well, that's it for today. I'm just too frozen to keep going. Too bad it was a little warmer, but obviously conditions are going to get better as the winter progresses. Definitely want to get out, stay out here after dark. I think fish are still probably biting, but like I said, pretty cold today. I did get some, so that's good. Anyways, thanks for watching.